Morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can just let me know that you can hear me okay. Excited to join you on this live stream. Reminder that everything we're about to be doing is for demo and paper trading purposes only. This is all just in theory, and excited to join you guys today. Please take a moment to read our disclaimer before choosing to join us live. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. We are getting ready for non-farm payroll to release. It's one of the most volatile news events that happen in price action, so this should be good. Can you guys just confirm that you can hear and see me okay? And then current members, we've got our brand new release that we just did last night, so super excited to show you guys that. Really helps understand the strength of the move using True Algo, and new folks, you'll be able to see it live too. Going into this news release, we're sitting here trying to figure out, just looking through assets, what's going to be the best performer. We have our confirmation close here in 6 minutes, so that'll be awesome. Just right now, the only thing we can be on the ES currently is bullish. There's no reason to be bearish, so just write that note down. Only reason to be bullish, and it's just because we've already flipped the True Algo swing box yesterday up, and so we can thank Apple earnings for that one. And so we are now also bullish on the NQ. And then True Algo members, like if you guys start seeing this right here, you guys see these little dots with these fists running by? Is wherever direction those are occurring. So you see how these are all on the bullish side, and we've had a bullish reversal from the True Algo box. Once you see those little fists and dotted lines appearing, that is a very good sign that the move has strength. So the NQ, ES are still confirmed bullish using True Algo, and then the US 30 is the only one of the two that is confirmed bearish. So the US 30 offered a short opportunity right at daily open, just a tiny little position, and then has come up again and activated a short idea. And so just right now, this is the only one that is confirmed bearish. The other two are bullish. And just looking on the chart, and as you guys know, this is something we do every single day. When this news event's going to pop, we just want to identify things that can attract price, specifically using True Algo, not using anything else. So down here, even though I tell you we are confirmed bullish on the ES and on the NQ, as soon as we get to the boxes down here, that close will determine if we flip our bias neutral or start to get bearish. And then just all True Algo members, notice these two circles on the bottom. And this is exactly what happened at FOMC, guys. During NFP, which is about to occur, we have bearish True Algo scalp targets and beacons. And so that's something that we'll be watching here on the bottom. You guys see that? So looking for these to get smacked. It would be fantastic to get NFP to do this. Have all retail traders go long right to this box, close bearish, and then we can have a massive win on shorts to get to this daily scalp target and True Algo beacon, both of which have well over a 90% hit rate today. So lots of reasons to get down to these bearish targets that we'll be watching. Okay, and just again, reminder, the only one that is confirmed bearish is the US 30 right now, over here to your right side. And there's that daily scalp target on the US 30, folks. You guys see that right there? And then the beacon is even lower. So lots of reasons to get down to these bearish targets. And then US 30 is the one that's actually confirmed bearish that we'll be watching. Hopefully that makes sense, everybody. And then DXY is still confirmed bearish. We've lost the swing system. Give me 1 second. I'm still here. Sorry. So DXY is still confirmed bearish from the swing system. Beautiful swing opportunity on DXY to open up the day. You can see all the strength of moves. True Algo members, again, you look at the little fists running through with the lines. You see how every single one of them is a bearish price action is underneath it. And so that means it's bearish. And now we've hit the True Algo box. At the same exact time, Euro has presented a short opportunity. And now the only thing, everyone listen to me, this is what's super important going into this news release. The only thing right now on the Euro is you can be bullish. You cannot be bearish. When the Euro closes down here, then we can be bearish. And maybe that's exactly what NFP is about to do. And then if you're on the Euro, True Algo members, look, we have a daily scalp target, we have a True Algo beacon, and we have a magnet, all by True Algo, all needing cleared on the bearish side. So to me, it does look like NFP is going to push down bearish overall. Reminder that we have the same targets here on the indices. So it makes a whole lot of sense for us to get down there. Gold, you can only be bearish right now. You are confirmed bearish from the True Algo system, offering multiple short wins today already. And then now it's about to confirm short once again. So can only be bearish. There's no reason to be bullish. The only time we can get bullish on gold is when you close above 23.20. So no reason at all to be bullish on gold. Copper was absolutely perfect, just literally ping-ponging between the True Algo system. Even this close right here, absolutely perfect. Bullish close above the swing system from True Algo, and then immediately to full take profit. So, and you now have another bullish confirmation. So you can only be bullish on copper right now. And for all of you oil fans, we'll let oil load while that does. Crypto, it doesn't matter the asset. You can see beautiful hit into the True Algo boxes. They're double stacked. Bearish close, huge bearish win. And then Bitcoin, folks, you are still confirmed bullish, but if you're not in any position ideas right now, you're neutral. And then for all the crypto folks, we have multiple True Algo scalp targets, beacons, and magnets, all to the bearish side that needing cleared. And then you have bullish targets available on Tether. So lots of reasons for Bitcoin to go down into this New York Open. We're just about to release NFP. Just want to show you what Apple did yesterday. You see all these lines? Those are all True Algo scalp targets. All right, let's get this NFP release. And then Murray will be here going in through New York. So New York Open, so we'll be here to help you guys. Reminder of these bearish scalp targets. US 30 is the only one that's confirmed bearish. The ES and NQ in the center of your screen and left are not confirmed yet. It's just US 30 that's confirmed bearish. And there's the move to start. Initial bullish move up. That's all that was just market orders to push up into limit orders. And there's the big move. Let's go. Just showing you like what we talked about with the ES and NQ, how they're the only ones confirmed bullish from the True Algo system. The US 30 is the only one that was confirmed bearish. It's not a short that we would take. And then now it's off to the races. Straight to weekly open now for the ES. About to hit this old magnet on both NQ and ES. The cool thing is where it's at now. We're setting up when we can hit these boxes. As we talked about the high volatility from NFP. If it can close now from tapping these boxes above and close bearish, that's again right at that point when I told you retail traders would start to long from being late to the move, and then it would offer a really big short opportunity. Okay. US 30, folks, you've now hit the swing box and the day box stacked. Notice that this is exactly where the bots start taking profit on their positions. This is not where you start to go long. This is, if you want to get trapped in a position, this is where you go long. Same thing with you folks on the ES. US 30, you're about to clear an old daily magnet. Gold should be up now as well too. Yep, big old move to gold. Gold's also to the swing system in the day box now. This is not where you now add into gold. This is where you wait for a bearish close and then you can short. Euro, folks, again, noticing that it never closed below the box. Remember I told you, what's the only thing you could be on the Euro? I said the only thing you can be is bullish. You cannot be bearish. It has to close below the box. And obviously now a monster of a move. And then the bearish move has continued from DXY. Notice how price action just stops right at this box. Again, this is where most likely over the next 15 minutes, price is not going to exceed this box. And then it's going to offer a big old short opportunity going into New York Open. And then the craziest thing for most people to not handle is in 15 minutes, let's say we close like right here. And then 15 more minutes in New York Open, we close right here. And then price action just literally does this for the rest of New York. All the way down here to clear our True Algo scalp target in Beacon. So instead of blindly trading them, just like we said, the ES and Q, only ones that were bullish. US 30 is the only one that was bearish. And then now you see the play out. We can forecast now having what could be what a bigger move than what most people would make in a month to get from this box down here all the way to these two circles down below. And the coolest thing is now we just get to wait. You don't get FOMO. Like any of you guys, if you struggle with FOMO trading and you're like, oh my God, why didn't I go long? I missed this entire move. If you did that and then you went long within 4 to 5 seconds, you got filled up here. You're done. Like your account's blown. It's gone. What you do now with True Algo is you just wait for the close. And the close is, guys, we've been open for 2 minutes. You know what I mean? It's in 12 minutes for index futures, folks. You just needed to close bearish from this box, which we know will not be for actually 30 minutes because it would have to close down here. Okay? And then looking at US 30, folks, you've also hit the box system. So close down here, and then we can have a short opportunity on US 30 as well. We're just about to clear this True Algo magnet on the NQ right here, folks. It'll disappear once it gets hit. So just keep your eye on that. You see how it hasn't been hit yet? It just means that price action has still a little bit more to go up. So the NQ is going to come up higher. It shouldn't stop right there where it is. And just look at all the people that are going to get trapped up here on this wick. Don't chase True Algo, people. Everybody just chill. Let these people get trapped at the high. There is nothing to do up here except for to get trapped. Euro, folks, old beacons and scalp targets being cleared. You've now hit the trend box for the day. Okay? Let price fall below the red, and then that offers an opportunity to get to the lower part of the swing system. I would not be looking to have some aggressive trades on the euro today because it's trending. So instead, let's look at the pound, which probably will look very similar. Maybe look at the UCAD, look at the UJ. This was the long position given yesterday on the pound, by the way. One of our members was asking, hey, can you draw the position tool to help me out? And that was the long given, and this is the result. We hit full take profit yesterday, but just showing you, if you ever needed a system that could show you what actual swing trading should be, not what someone taught you by some guru who uses hindsight analysis, this is swing trading. That's what swing trading is. It's the strength of a move, not the time you hold the position. I hope that makes sense to some newer people to trading and systems. Just a reminder, gold, the full move is played out. Oil, folks, we have a really good opportunity here. We've already hit the True Algo swing box from oil, reversed bearish, and now we've come up. Now we hit the day box. Oil has way less volatility. You notice that we have hit the day box. If we can close this candle bearish at New York Open, we can look for a nice short opportunity on oil. And for all of you, if you are in the States, I would make sure you get gas this weekend because this is not financial advice, but gas is going to be much cheaper right now going into this weekend. So fill up at the tank. You guys see now that circle on the middle of your screen? That scalp target by True Algo is gone, the magnet. And so now it disappears. You don't have to worry about it anymore. The NQ, I told you it needs to go up higher because we had that magnet. If you're new and you just dropped in, you have no idea what I'm talking about, but you can see that that magnet is gone. See if I can make it pop back up on your screen so you can see what I'm saying. Here, you'll see in a second. Notice how the US 30 is still stuck in the same spot. ES is still in the box as the same thing. And then look at the NQ. It's just trying to get to its True Algo box. Hit this box. Then we can offer an opportunity on the next 15-minute candle to close bearish and push down. If not, the only thing we can be right now is bullish as it pushes up. You can see now that it's hit the box. US 30 is still in the same exact spot. There is a swing magnet up here on the ES if you're looking for another take profit idea on that position idea. True Algo members, do you guys see it? If you guys all just please, if you get a second, like the very beginning of the stream. I just want to make sure that we're saying the right things and you guys don't think that we're flip-flopping our ideas. We don't do that here. The only thing I said about the ES and the NQ is that you could be bullish. That's it. Because you can see down here, it closed bullish from this box. That's the only thing you could be. The US 30 was the only one that offered those scalp. I say scalp because it's a quick move. Short opportunities. It was the only one. And so now you look where we're at. And let's look in a live situation, guys. You see how the NQ hits this box. So what does the retail trader do? They start to go long because they think they're going to miss the move. And then that wick instantly takes them out. And if you, any of you guys, if you actually trade index futures and you think this is small, that's 84 ticks. That's 21 handles. So when I tell you that you, as a retail trader, they are out of the trade, they're out of the trade. Does that make sense, everybody? That's thousands of dollars they're out. Their funding account is gone. You do not long into a True Algo box above. These boxes are designed to stop price. And you're seeing that in a live situation. It's now over 100 ticks. We are the anti-FOMO system. Don't be upset that you missed the long, okay? Because every time you enter in here, they're going to push price downwards and take you out of your idea. Don't do it. Look at gold. Look at this absolutely incredible wick from the True Algo system. Oil setting up that short that we were talking about, guys, on the right side of your screen. You see it? See, it hits the box, and now look at the sell down. Again, really good opportunity coming on oil going into New York Open. Gold might retrace this entire move before New York even opens. Beautiful. Crypto, folks. Again, looking at Ethereum. Bang, bang, bang. Heading up to this daily scalp target and beacon right above price on Ethereum. Bitcoin and Tether. Ooh, Tether's at a really good spot, too. Crypto, folks, just check it out. For True Algo members, you are in the day boxes on both Tether and Bitcoin now. Really, really good opportunities coming for New York. And now we just sit here and wait. We have a candle close in 6 minutes. If you're wondering, like, can I go short? Can I go long? That's not how the system gets used. Hey, Jeremy, how you doing, bud? Haven't seen you for a bit. Yeah, man, crypto's just going beautiful. You guys see, like, the most important thing you need to see right now is a live situation. This is where other people struggle. They try to fix their live situations by going on to like a 1 minute candle or something like that. And this is where your gurus will get you destroyed. Okay? They either use 4-hour time frames or weekly candles to destroy you, or they use 1 minute candles to try to make up for something. Don't do it. I know it's hard to wait, but we're trying to fix the 95% of problems that all traders have. So they will not wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Now, this is what we can forecast. You guys always ask us, how can you see what's going to happen in the future? The reason why whatever you use, it's hard to develop a strategy from it. Ours, you can. So everybody just look. You see how we've hit these boxes? The boxes haven't moved. They don't repaint. You notice price has literally stopped. All three. So what our members know, we don't care about this initial move up. We know this candle is going to close bullish no matter what. I say that because in 5 minutes, where this candle is going to close, it has to close down here to be a bearish candle. We know it's a bullish candle. So it's really cool. If we close here, we're bullish. If we close here, we're bearish. It's that simple. And then you can use all three of them to layer in the same exact idea. Notice the two circles? And this is how we play. You don't have to worry about missing the move, because the move now is activated using True Algo. You were already supposed to be in a long idea from the NQ and ES. So if you missed that, it's okay. Now, this candle's going to close, and you can't do anything yet. Because if you've seen our system and you've seen our rules, it has to close bearish from this box. It can't just be a candle below the box. It has to close bearish. The next candle, guys, is not going to close bearish. The reason why I tell you this is True Algo, this is trying to protect you right now. It's trying to protect you from getting trapped up here and having a 100 tick loss instantly before New York's open, okay? And that, I cannot stress this enough. You guys know this from a live situation. Right here. It's not 100 tick loss for you. You got filled up here. So it's pushing 150 to 200 tick loss now. I don't have to make up for that. Our True Algo members don't have to make up for that loss. And that's important because psychologically, it's going to wreck you going into New York. So when this current candle closes, we have to wait 15 more minutes. And the good thing is that will literally be 30 minutes before New York opens. And we might have a massive short opportunity to get into or another long opportunity. It just depends on if we close bullish up here or bearish down here. And so this is probably one of the biggest things I want to point out to all of you guys here. And True Algo members, I know that I mean this to you guys as well. I and all of you right now, every one of us should just be able to just leave right now, set an alarm, and come back in 22 minutes. And you don't have to stare at the chart. I'm going to be on the charts with you guys now, but nothing's going to change. The only thing that can change is if 3 minutes from now, that's the close, guys, everybody, 15-minute time frame, if we close bullish up here. There's no shorts. I can't short. So if I want to short, I know I have to come back here when we get to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's that simple. I don't have to go watch this. Exactly like Sam just said. Go get a coffee. Go relax. If you're going to ask me, well, what about Forex? Can I go long or short? It's the wrong question. You have to wait 30 minutes for a close. There is absolutely no position to take during Forex for the next 30 minutes. Go grab a coffee. Go relax. Don't get caught. Gold, folks, you may, it would have to come way down here, but just this is insanity showing you how good the True Algo system is. If any of you guys went on gold and you went long, this enough should show you why you need to use our system. Do you guys see this wick on gold? For the record, this is a $16 per ounce. That's $1,600 move right there. Just the wick. And this system stops you from making those mistakes. And reminder, when you went long, you got filled up here. That's how reality works. When you guys paper trade, you get filled in the candle. But when you go long in real markets, they fill you up here. They're not dumb. And they wreck you. And our system protects you. Oil, folks, again, reminder, you will be the only one that in 15 minutes from now might have a short opportunity. You guys see how this candle's red and it was just green? It's got to close red. If it closes red, it'll push down. If it closes, I'm just watching it push down now. If it closes green, then there's no short yet. Crypto folks at the top of the day box now. Again, Ethereum people, look, Ethereum is headed right here. It's going to come clip this daily scalp target and beacon by True Algo. You guys see it running across the screen? That's where we're headed. It's just letting us know we have to go higher on Ethereum. And look, Tether's just about to do it on the right side. Look, right here. It needs to clear this. You're going to see a check mark show up. And then it also has one way down here. So what this means is we still have further to go for crypto. Further up for coins and further down for Tether. There's the close. Okay, so beautiful. Look, everyone listen to me right now. Write down the notes. True Algo members, you can help them. Do you go short now? Yes or no? Look at the beautiful move. We've hit the True Algo boxes. Do you go short? Yes or no? Using our system. The answer is no. Remember, this is all for demo and paper trading only. You do not go short yet. I know you want to. You're sitting here hitting our boxes and you're like, man, this is the time to go short. No. Listen, it has to close bearish. And you can see our members are answering in chat because, guys, we are an educational platform. We just do this live. That's the difference. So now the coolest thing is we can clearly see in the next 15 minutes, like I told you, at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if we close below this circle, it's a bearish confirmation, and now there's a short opportunity going into New York. And True Algo members, watch the update. Look, True Algo members, look right here. You see that? That is now a target for us. So now you have literally live targets now per candle that you guys can aim for. Cool? And if you close below that target, it shows the strength of the move. So closing below that, boom, and now you can get to open. Look at all of those people who went long instantly on that candle, guys. You see it from a live perspective, and just look at True Algo saying, listen, man, y'all can keep going long up here. I'm going to keep filling short positions. Do not do that. Same thing, Jeff. It has to close bearish, bud. has to close bearish. You can't adjust the rules. It can't just hit this box. If this candle over the next 15 minutes comes all the way down here, it's an opportunity that we don't take. We follow rules. Note this circle right here for everybody watching for the NQ. That strength to move is right there. You see, again, it's just going to keep trapping people up in this area. US 30 is still bullish as well. It's got to close bearish. 13 minutes from a next close. Crypto folks, I just had a huge alert go off for, can one of you guys remind me to talk to you guys in Discord? I don't want to tell everybody in public, but somebody just tagged me in Discord. There's a huge crypto thing I have to update you with that just went off. Look at gold, man. It's almost retraced. I'm just laughing because, like, oh, I feel bad. I just feel bad for all those people that went long, man. It's sad. It's almost under the box completely. It just sucks for people that get trapped, man. You guys see oil doing its thing? I'm going to sit here and focus on the index chart just because, and just so all you guys are here that if you're newer, we're not like other systems, okay? One, you get us doing this live every single day with members if you join us. But like the biggest difference is like everyone is trying to force moves right now. And remember, they're the same people that got you trapped up here in the first place. We just chill. Like we are anti-FOMO, we're anti-revenge, we're just chilling, okay? And so right here, it's just about waiting. We have to wait for the close. And this might be really hard for some of you to accept. You see this current candle? Watch the answers in chat. True Algo members. If this candle right here on the ES, left side of your screen, SPY, SPX, QQQ folks, you, all of you. If this candle closes green in the box, can I go short or can I go long? Can I? Yes or no? Can I go long? Can I go short? And the answer is what? It's very simple. And the answer is no. You literally can't take a position yet. And that might be frustrating to you. And the reason why that's there is we have rules that separate us. If you've ever seen John Wick, it separates you from the animals. What's going to happen in this box is retail traders are going to keep getting baited. You're going to keep getting baited to go long. You're going to keep getting baited to go short. You're going to react because your emotions get in your way. And for us, we just chill. I understand you have to hear my voice for a while, but we do not go up or down until it closes above or closes below with the confirmation candle color that we need. So you don't do anything in this box, but you let retail traders sit here and get destroyed. And Nate, I saw your comment, but it's okay. I'm sorry, man. It's a really big deal, so it's not something I'm going to talk about people on YouTube. I just want to share it with the members when I get in there. We miss you, though. I hope you're doing well, dude. Muhammad, I can assure you. So listen, guys, let me be very clear. That way you can see how predicting the future. If you guys look in chat, someone keeps asking about the euro, and they're still doing it. There's nothing can change on the euro for the next 10 minutes. This is what's different between our system and everything else. It's bullish. It can't be bearish. I know that just from the indexes. It can only be bullish. There's no shorts to be had on the euro. And in 10 minutes, we can decide. And here you can clearly see. You are in the True Algo box. There is no reason to be bearish whatsoever. At all. This is not a place where I'm going to add into my long positions because that was earlier today. That was literally yesterday. I know this is the pound. But right now, the only thing you can be on the euro is bullish. Nothing will change. It has to close bearish way down here in order to be bearish. You're welcome, Nate. Have a good one, bud. Oil is right back to daily open. There is like we said earlier, in next 9 minutes. Look at, oh my goodness. Do you see gold? Again, I can't stress this enough. If you trade gold, you need True Algo. Do you guys see this? The entire move is gone. And imagine every retail, imagine if you like run a freaking, oh, I'm just mad, like you run an actual hedge fund account. Like True Algo members, what do I keep telling you? Every time they allow us right now, retail traders, to get into a short position, you take it because we don't want to physically sell our gold and silver. Look at the move. We follow rules. Like, man, I feel really bad for anyone who went long on gold, man. Like, guys, this is a single candle. Like, this isn't like 3 hours, 2 days, hidden candles, like a time frame. Like, look at it. It's just gone. Every person is gone that went long. And that's why you don't do that with True Algo. So you might have another short opportunity here, because if gold closes down here, guys, that will be a confirmed short to add into for gold. And then for those of you on oil, this would be a bearish confirmation. The only thing, True Algo members, listen to me very carefully. You would be opening a position at daily open, which means most likely price would do something like this. Does that make sense? It'd be really cool if in the next 7 minutes we can retrace upwards to here and close there. That's still a bearish confirmation, and boom, then push down. But I would imagine that the market makers would push price up like this and then push it down. And by the way, when I say market maker, I want to be very specific for those of you guys that aren't experienced in trading. Market maker just means, for me, it's the people who run the algorithm, like the people who actually run the exchange. That would be the people who run COMEX, CME, the people who move price. There is no such thing as manipulation. Does that make sense? If I can give any of you guys one tip, if your guru, your coach, your person on Twitter, your person on YouTube says the word manipulation, you need to unsubscribe instantaneously. There's no such thing as market manipulation. They just say that to make up for some type of loss that happened or their strategy doesn't work. You guys notice like how we are completely emotionless. We are trying to have a system that requires zero brains to like force you up or down. You just wait. Emotionless. There's nothing to do here. You wait for the close. Other people will say, like, if they're trying to go long because of this move from NFP because the news did X, Y, and Z, and if they lose now on this long because it's going to be a massive short from True Algo if we close below, they're going to say manipulation. If you hear the word manipulation, I'm telling you, unsubscribe and just come start. Even if you just stay with us on the free side, just stay away from people who use that word, okay? It's an excuse. They're just trying to cover for themselves. They're the same people who do everything from hindsight. That means nothing can help you in a live market. You guys see how this candle, I know, I'm sorry that I've been talking for 25 minutes and you're like, God, this guy, can't he just shut up? Can I just go long or short? We're trying to teach you. You can't do anything right now. You just have to wait if you're using the True Algo system. And the one thing that's probably going to frustrate you more than anything if you're newer to us, if this candle, like I said earlier, closes green, you still can't go short. But it's red now, so that will be a bearish confirmation in less than 6 minutes. But now it's green again. If it closes green, I can't do anything. I have to sit on my hands. And every time that you say, like, I don't want to sit on my hands, guys, look. I ask you, do you have a 189 tick stop loss? Do you have a 47 handle stop loss? And I know the answer is no, because let's play a game here. Ready? Can you guys all help me out? We have 5 minutes before the close. I need you guys to be honest with everybody. This goes all of you. There's 99 of you in here. I dare you to answer. Everybody give us your average take profit, whether it's 20 ticks, whether it's 20 pips, whether it's 40 handles, which would be 160. I just want all of you to give an honest answer, and you're going to see people's response, and then you start to realize that 95% of you are right around the same amount. And the reason why I ask you that is because when I tell you, can you handle a 180 tick stop loss because you didn't follow our rules, I already know the answer is no, because all of you pretty much go for 25 to 30 points. That's usually the national average. 25 to 30 points maximum. And you'll just see as people post, you'll start being like, holy crap, I'm just like them. So that's why I know you can't handle the stop. So just chill and wait for us. Do you see how the same candle is just green? Every one of those times you enter an idea and you get trapped, you get to see this in a live situation. It sucks to sit here for 30 minutes and just wait for a candle to close. But guys, this is real trading. All those fake things that you see people push their videos out and they post their charts on fast replay on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. You don't feel what that feels like. And that's why you can't handle the psychology of markets, because they're fast forwarding 1 minute candles at literally like 7 or to 10 candles per second. And you can't handle that psychologically. So our system fixes that for you. We have a close here in 2.5 minutes. Gold starting to trap people, which is fantastic. There is, guys, just to make sure everyone's aware, there is no move on gold. There's no long and there's no short. If at New York Open, if we close, let me move this arrow. In New York Open, that's 30 minutes from now. If we close here or close here, we have short opportunities. Right now, this is just going to trap traders during New York. Oil, folks, you're the only one that's going to have a bearish confirmation in less than 2 minutes. Only one. So you guys do have an opportunity. Let's see if there's an opportunity real quick on silver. We haven't talked about silver. Let's see how bad True Algo was today with silver. Watch it. You ready? Drum roll. Let's see how bad it was. Do my fake drum roll. Sorry. It's very, very entertaining. And look, God, there's nothing better. Bearish confirmation, winning trade. Pushes up. No shorts. No shorts. Boom. Into the True Algo daily box and swing system. Straight up. What do silver traders do? They long the top. You are longing into 2 True Algo boxes and buy price. Nothing. There is no better system in the world to stop you from getting trapped. None. We're starting to push below open, by the way, oil folks. Euro, you can only be bullish. Please, everybody, write it down. You can only be bullish. There is no reason to be bearish on the euro. Let the euro go, guys. Stop trying to force it to do something. Close is less than 2 minutes away. I'm going to stay on for New York Open, so hopefully you guys will hang out with me here. Rick, oh, bud, be careful, buddy. We hope you get better, too, also. Is there a way to pay for half a month? I would just focus on you, man. Like, we'll still be here. For any of you guys that, like, if it's just not the right time for you, if it's too expensive. I mean, guys, we pride ourselves that we're not like other systems out there, so it's not cheap because you're not just getting a system of indicator. Like, it's the live stream coaching that you get. And I still don't think people can live stream coach like the way we do. Everything that they do is hindsight. Nate, nothing's changed, buddy. It's still the same. That's the difference now, Nate, since you haven't been here, bud. I know you were with us before. It's all based off of the close, and I know that nothing has changed. Watch. By the way, did you guys see Ethereum? Just want to say that we can call it live unlike everybody else. When I tell you that it's coming to this circle and it has to go higher from the True Algo system, there you go. I call it like I see it. Okay, ready? Listen to me. True Algo members, we have another close. Everybody listen, and you're not going to like their answers. Can I go short? Can I go long? Using True Algo right now on the ES, yes or no? Can I go long or short? And the answer is no. Those of you on the NQ, can I go short? It's below the box. Let's go short. No, I can't. It has to close bearish, guys. I can't. And you'll notice our True Algo members are going to start chiming in. So we're going on 45 minutes of being on here with you guys now. And you're like, I can't believe this guy still hasn't told me to go long or short. One, we're not a signal service. But I can tell you that we'll beat everybody else in the market. We teach patience. We teach no FOMO, no anti-revenge trading. Every one of those retail people are going to get trapped up here still. It's got to close bearish. Look, instantly it's green. It has to close bearish. It can't just be down here. That's why I'm telling you we can forecast when to look to go short. And now look at the current candle pushing up. You see how it's going up? That's the power we have with our system, that I can tell you this candle is going to go up or just remain in this area because it did not close bearish. The algorithm will not sell price yet. This is what you get in a live environment. But the coolest thing is man, I'm unbelievably excited for New York Open because we're at an area that can offer a really good opportunity for our members. Yes, we might have to sit here for an entire hour and do nothing except for just chat, and that's just part of the game. What I like is not getting trapped in trading, and this is the best part about it, man. US 30, can you go short or long over here? What's the answer? Absolutely no. And I'm telling you guys, as long as we don't close above our boxes up here, there is such a monster short to get way down here, man. Just imagine it. Like, literally talking about a 200 tick move for the ES, just the ES. And we know with the NQ and US 30, you're going to be pushing 800 ticks if we hit the box and close bearish. Guys, you see how the candles are green? I'm just showing you a live environment. I do not think anyone else can do this in the world. Do you see it? Do you see how I tell you we can't go short until it closes bearish? And look at the candle. Even if you just want to use that as your strategy, you can use that from our system. But I'm just telling you, I don't think anyone else can call it live per candle. You guys see it, right? Let's see oil. Oh my God, you see it? True Algo members, you guys see it, right? Look at this, man. Guys, there's no better system in the world. Look, we call it in the future. It hits the box. I tell you, oil's the only one in 30 minutes time. That was when we hit the 9 a.m. time frame. Rewind the tape. Look, only one that offers a short opportunity because it hits the True Algo box. And you see how it closes bearish? Now look, buy. That's the True Algo system. It's the only one. Is there a long opportunity on gold? No. Oh, sorry, this is silver. No, because it hit the full take profit, True Algo members. The next close, you might get a long opportunity, but not right now. Gold, we knew that there was a high probability there would be no close. Look at the circles. Just showing you like the truth of the system. You see the circles? Do you see a close around them? No. What does that mean? Absolutely not. There's no reason to go long or short. Oil was the only one that offered an opportunity. It's an immediate short. It tries to grab the liquidity and boom, it's still short. There's only reasons to look to go down on oil to get all the way down there. Crypto folks, what did we say? There is absolutely no reason at all to be bearish. And all we're doing on crypto right now is cleaning up. Look, just scalp target and beacon one after another. 94% hit rates. And you're watching price action live, just clean them up. One after another, one after another. Ethereum about to clear Tether about to clear the next one. Every other retail trader is always trying to say the very bottom or the very top. Meanwhile, there's no reason to be bearish at all. It's got to close bearish, guys. There it is right there. There's the next one. You see the check mark? Boom. Checked. Moving on. Next one, beacon above us. And look to the right. Boom. Like clockwork. All prices are doing are just clearing True Algo targets. That's it. And look at the indexes. You see how there's no short. That's why I love the system. There are no shorts. It has to close bearish. There is no better system out there. I don't care what anybody says, man. Exactly, D. There's a big deal like when people say something like that. Like, if you were to ask a retail trader, like when they go to bed at night, they're salivating at their opportunity to wait till New York opens. You know what I mean? And that's why they're on a time frame like I need to make as much money as possible, as quickly as possible. So they always give all of their money back. And that's not how we operate. We just simply sit here. We don't get trapped. Like, look at the candle, guys. Look at the wicks on both sides. Every one of those traders are trapped. They're underwater. When you get filled, you're filled up here on your long positions. When you go short, you're filled down here. And instead, we just chill. It's got to close bearish below the box. Then we can be bearish and have short ideas. If we want to be bullish here from the True Algo box, it's got to close above. You just chill. It's nice not being underwater $300 or 300 ticks for some of you going into New York Open. It's nice. It's a beautiful feeling. It lets me be able to not have any issues making more moves for the rest of the day. How many of you guys have the the 3 loss rule. You lose 3 times, you're out for the rest of the day. I ask you that because that's a retail thing that is taught, and we don't do what retail does. So if your guru told you to trade 3 times, and if you lose 3, you're out, again, it is a retail trick to get you to be out, and then they'll just say, hey man, just blame manipulation. That's why you lost. Instead, they just can't show you how to do it in a live environment. All of you guys on Euro, it's so hard to short the Euro, even if this does it. We're just honest with you guys. Like, you see this gigantic boxes stacked? It's so hard to short this. So True Algo members, my only suggestion would be this. You see the red box here? If you're going to look for a short, you don't put your stop above the wick. You don't put your stop up here. It just has to be where the red box starts. As soon as price closes back in the red, your short ideas are gone. This isn't something that I would take because I'm shorting into boxes. That's not good. Just like I can't go long. I would much rather just wait for the free fall, close here like I showed you earlier, and then sweep these up. Wait, you're telling me I miss out on this entire move? Yes, right here, because I don't want to be this person. That. And you guys remember that entire wick, over $20 move. That's $20 an ounce. That's $2,000 a contract on gold was down here on a single candle. And by the way, you're going to see live oil put in a new low here shortly. Just calling it live. And again, True Algo members using the new indicator part of the system. If you do not trip that line, that just means the strength in shorts is really, really good. That's what that means by True Algo now. And you guys can use that to help you. We are literally still in the same spot, everybody. Terry, I'm not sure if you're still here, but if you guys see their question, they said, why is the euro still long? Everybody, this is not an area where you short. It has to close below a box or close above a box to go long. When you see massive boxes like this is the True Algo algorithm telling you to get away. I can show you an idea just using the red system because that's our trending system, that you can use that red line right there to be your stop. That way you're protecting yourself because I wouldn't put a stop up here. But you might only get right there. And that's it. The euro is not something ideal to trade. If you turn on the UCAD, I guarantee you the UCAD is down. Ready? Watch. And there you go. Now watch. When we see the boxes load, this might be a really good opportunity to go long on the UCAD. Ooh, yeah, look. Beautiful. By the way, look, again, perfection. Absolute perfection. Hits the box, bullish close, winning opportunity, getting to daily open. Now we reject going into non-farm payroll. If the UCAD can close above this box, then that's a bullish close to get up here to this. If you are a fair value gap trader, you can look to fill the gap. You can get to weekly open, True Algo box. And then True Algo members, do you guys see the strength of move? Do you see the fist? Closing above that as well shows the strength to push up higher. If that strength of line stays there, that tells you that the bearishness is still kicked in. Hopefully that makes sense. We are, such a good opportunity here. We are 4 minutes away from a close. The US 30 looks like it's going to confirm bearish close. So for a short opportunity, the ES right now setting up that same short opportunity. So this is really, really good. The NQ is the only one that's would not be bearish yet. So the NQ wouldn't be something that I would take. I would be practicing on the ES or the MES for the micros folks out there. Same thing with US 30. Just waiting for the close. And the good thing is we know we're 3.5 minutes away from the close. We don't have to wait very long. We do not do free trials. The reason why, Marius, and for anyone else watching, think about all the free trials you guys have done elsewhere. You're going to do a free trial for a week. because the systems don't work over a long period of time. So you do a free trial, you get sucked in for a week, and then they're going to push you to buy a lifetime subscription because they're not invested in you. They're invested in getting the next person. And you're not going to have any success, and they want to push you to get that lifetime membership. You will not get better at trading by being here in 1 week. Do you want to know why? Because you're going to be pressured to try to make something up in a week. And the systems are designed to destroy you because it's on a time-based thing. So when you're ready to invest in yourself, don't go for somewhere that has a 1 week free trial. If you're ready to invest in yourself, come join us for a month. Join us for 6 months. Join us for a year. And you will see the difference that's going to happen in your trading game. Nokia. So this is called the True Algo strength of move. So if you start seeing them on the low side of a candle, like you see how it's on the lower side of price action, it's telling you that's the strength of move is bullish, as we've already flipped the True Algo box bullish going into this move for NFP. And so now, if we get a short confirmation, now that strength of move is actually a target. Remember, we teach you guys anything horizontal that True Algo puts on the chart for you is a take profit target. So that means this is a take profit tool now. We are less than 2 minutes away from the close. ES is still really, really close to confirming bearish. US 30, folks, it's going to confirm bearish. The only problem, True Algo members, is the NQ. It is the only one. That's not going to stop me from my ideas. But right here, the NQ is the only one. Unless it can drop about 10 or 15 more ticks, it's the only one that hasn't confirmed bearish yet. ES is confirmed in less than 2 minutes, as is US 30. You guys, hopefully from a live environment, do you see the power of the system? All the retail traders that are absolutely trapped, destroyed, gone, out. Maybe they've already ruined their 3 trades for the day and they're already done and New York's not even open yet. You can always upgrade to the 1-year membership whenever you want, as long as the discount's still there. So like if you start with 1 month and you love the system and now you want to join for a year because like you guys said, you literally save 50% for your entire membership. So if you want to save money, yes, you have to buy a year. You need to invest in yourself. As long as the discount's available, you can still trade. Or sorry, not trade. You can still switch to the yearly plan at the discount if it's available. Exactly, Jeff. I'm watching it, bud. ES US 30, we're just about to confirm. NQ is the only one that has not confirmed yet, everybody. Using True Algo. Even though it probably will still go whoop, straight downwards, it doesn't matter. The rules follow these two. But True Algo members, just note, I wouldn't be overly aggressive till the NQ confirms. Yes, I'm still going to be looking at US 30 and ES regardless. There's the close. You can see now there's that strength to move. So True Algo members, watch this. Now you get to see it live. I would love to tap that, and as long as it closes below it, that shows the strength to push down. Okay? We are now confirmed bearish on the ES. We are confirmed bearish on US 30. True Algo members, listen to me, because I know it's new. It's just now new, unless you were on the testers for the beta. This just shows you price will want to push to that, and closing above could cause it to go higher. Until that happens, do you see the shorts already starting to play out? US 30, there's a new low. This is, again, guys, I can't stress this enough. I understand that the candle just opened, but like, do you know how many times you guys have practiced trading and you open an idea and you're instantly in the red? That's the difference with the system. That as soon as this candle opened, short, and then boom, it's green. It's nice to like not do that to the psychology of markets, how it can wreck you. Oil is still in the same short, guys. Nothing has changed. Gold, you still have no opportunity for the next 15 minutes. Crypto, folks, again, we've already talked to you guys. All we're doing is just clearing everything off the chart for True Algo. Nothing has changed. UCAD has to close higher. DXY is still within the system. Euro, folks, like I was telling you before, you can only be bullish. You cannot be bearish. I know I sound like a crazy person, But that's the advantage of True Algo. We have to close way down here in order to be bearish. There is no bearishness to be had. Stop trying to short the euro. Don't do it. There's another new low on US 30 live. Look, you see it live? Do you guys see the difference between True Algo and everything else in the market? Instead of telling you to keep going long and short in these boxes and you getting stressed out, do you see the high probability of this? How we can call it live? I'm trying to figure out the correct verbiage to not offend people. Like, we do not sit here and force things. I told you, we are anti-FOMO. We are anti-revenge, okay? And it's up to you what you think where your take profit is. And for all of you asking, okay, if that's the entrance, where's my stop? Your stop has to be when we close beyond the next box. And if that bothers you, then put your stop in a box. Put your stop at a Wix. If you're someone who likes to have tight stops, then put your stop here. I don't know. Put your stop there. There's no perfect way because you might not have the same stop loss capability that I have. You might be on a funding challenge account and your daily drawdown. Look at the candle live, guys. Look at it, man. Look, you see it, right? We don't blow smoke here. Everyone else does. New low, new low. I told you. And by the way, look at the NQ almost staying in place. The ES and US 30, new low. There is nothing better out there. Now listen, that might be the move and it might be done, but guess what? I move my stop from here, I protect my position, and if it stops me out at break even, I don't care. It's still a win. It's up over 30 points now. Everybody understand, you told me your average is 25 to 30 points, correct? Yes or no? Watch this. There's your 30 points. You're done for the day. Goodbye. You're welcome. This is the difference with our system. I tell you when using True Algo that the shorts are good. No longs, just shorts. And you tell me your average win is 25 ticks. There's 28. You're welcome. That's the advantage of the system. There's nothing better. I don't care what anybody says. If this now pushes all the way back up to here, don't tell me it's a loss. Because you just got the exact amount of win you need. Again, True Algo members, when NQ can confirm, we can see a lot more movement. But there's your first win. And the best part about it, guys, it's being able to not get into anything until that occurred. That's the protection. And again, I cannot stress enough. If you tell me now it's a loss, when you just told me your average is 25 to 30 points, I don't know how to help you then because you just got your average move that you needed. Oil still just playing with everybody's hearts. I think it did actually put in a new low just now. Yep, told you. Look, these are 1 minute candles. We do not trade on a 1 minute candle. I just want to make sure you know we don't blow smoke here. By the way, you would love True Algo with this strength of move, by the way. Tom, if you're here, you need to turn this new part of the indicator on. It's like going to make it become your favorite thing ever. You guys see it? The strength of move. I don't use 1 minute time frames. I'm just trying to prove to a point to you that the only thing you could do is be bearish on oil, and there's a new low. There is nothing better on the market. And we're about to put in a new low again. Like, God, there's nothing better, man. Easy. You guys see how the NQ is still forcing markets to be green because it's the only one that hasn't confirmed bearish. So you can blame the NQ on this. US 30, folks, don't hold it. Be okay with those 30 ticks and then just wait another close, man. You guys know that you will have so many opportunities for New York. Or just manage yourself. Like, hold what you want, save, put your stops where they need to be, protect yourself, and then wait for this NQ to close bearish to then cause a cascade. Oh, Tom, you are here. Yeah, bud, turn that new part of the indicator on. When Otoro was finally doing it and I saw it, I knew, I'm like, yep, he's going to love this. It's going to help his London. If you guys trade London sessions, man, are you going to love that new True Algo strength of move? It's going to make those 15R plays like be insane for you, bud. Because now it just takes all the work out of it, all the guessing out of it too. Okay, cool. New York's going to open here in 8 minutes. So True Algo members, talk to me. We know that New York's going to open in 9 minutes. And remember, we do this with our strategy session with you guys on Sundays. As we go into New York, what do you do with your position? What do you do? Do you protect it? Do you just gamble and let it fly? Or do you protect your position? Remember, the average retail trader won't take a profit because they always think if they take profit too early, then they're going to lose money instead of calling it a win is a win. We are only bearish going into New York. Guys, I need to make sure everybody understands this, that I'm very clear. We are only bearish for the New York session because we know it's about to open in 7 minutes and we're already in a short. But where everyone else is going to go with hindsight analysis and tell you tomorrow what they did. You guys, everyone see the circle above this box right here? Everyone see the circle up here? If New York opens and pushes up bullish, when it closes above the box, then we're long. It's that easy. We don't play in this area until it closes, and you guys have already seen. By the way, I just want to make sure we're not blowing smoke. Look at the right side of my screen. Look at the 1 minute time frame. There's a new low. By the way, it's continuing to put in a new low on US 30. There is nothing better in the market. It's now over you guys' average move that you wanted. And I hope that helped you. You're welcome. Eagle, we have 3 indicators a part of our system. But if you want to set your own alerts, you're going to have to get the TradingView Premium at some point. But we only use 3 indicators, which I believe works with the basic version of TradingView. We use 3. Bloom is saying, when it hits the orange box just short the asset, is that True Algo? Explain in crayon. I'm just laughing, Bloom. So, Bud, if it hits this True Algo box like that you see, like you're asking, we suggest, and by the way, there's another new low on US 30. Just keep watching the right side. I'll go to US 30 because it's too nice. Look, when it hits the True Algo box, if you guys have seen our socials, you know that we just do this. Like it pings and it goes. But we all have to be realistic that there's a live aspect to trading markets. So we teach you to wait for a close. You guys saw, I never once using our system said to go long or short up here, or even down here on the next close. We just had to wait for the bearish close. If you're somebody that doesn't want to use we call it our mitigation entrance strategy, it lowers risk, then you can choose to go short up here. Absolutely, you're using our box. But we teach a strategy that you can actually replicate day in and day out, and you can do what I just did live. But if you want to just set whatever you do to start your day on boxes, you can, but you're not using the strategy that we show you if you're trying to do it in a live situation like this. Anybody want to take a guess what the move is now? For the record, everybody ready? This is 2 times the average move you all told me you wanted, given to you for free by True Algo. That's 50 points. You told me your average win was 25. And by the way, as it continues to put in a new low, there's 60. That's 2.5 times almost your average move. And look, do you guys see how small the stop was? Do you see how good our system is? Everyone else out there is blowing smoke. Why did I tell you all that the NQ was not a short? Look where the NQ is. Look at US 30. Do you see how our system allows you to not miss ideas? It's literally green on the NQ right now. And look at US 30. 60 straight points in one direction. Do you guys see the wick? I'll tell you how big the wick is. I was about to make a really bad joke. It is 1 tick. Tom Church, you here, bud? That's one tick, bud. That is definitely a Tom Church play right there. One tick stop, 60-point move. That's a 60 to 1, by the way. But unlike other people, that's unrealistic to say that you would play for 60 to 1. You know what I mean? But in this case, you sure got one. Oh, what? Nobody else can do this live, guys. Nobody. Not like this. They're going to keep changing time frames. They're going to call. Remember what I said about manipulation? Think about it, everybody. Think about all your gurus over here on US 30 right now that are all sitting here whining and crying manipulation. The market makers, they're just playing with price. They're messing with us, everybody. It's manipulation. No, you can't do this live. I'm telling you guys, when you hear the word manipulation, when I told you to unsubscribe, I mean it. They are going to make it worse for you. And then guess what? True Algo has to pick up the pieces. And we have to help you get rid of the snake oil because you're going to think all of this is fake. I dare all of you to go, if you guys get a second, go watch the FOMC stream on Wednesday. And we called every movement live. It's not smoke. And then when you get bored this weekend and you're not sure if you should invest in the True Algo system or invest in yourself, go to our YouTube section and go look at every live video. None of them are edited. They're all live streams. And watch every single one predicted. Again, 3 times your average move, everybody. 3 of them. Nothing on the euro going into New York. By the way, look, did anybody take the oil short? What do you see? Talk to me, everybody. What do you see? There is nothing better than this on the market. What do you see, everybody? There's your 1-minute time frame if you have trouble following it. This is a new low. And then Tom Church, look, bud. Boom, boom, boom. Doo-doo-doo. It's just absolute pure strength. And True Algo members, yes, I might scare you. I will be flipping to the 1-minute time frame now that Otoro has done this, but I refuse to do it till he gave us that. That is a new low on oil. That is a huge win. Go back and watch the stream, everybody, and tell me if I did not say the only thing you could do is look for a short opportunity on oil at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is now 9:28 a.m., and look at the win. Never said to go long, ever. This is how we tell you we can do it live, and everyone else is hindsight. Everybody else is trying to trick you. Everybody else is trying to get you to buy a life. Everyone asks us, like, why can't we do a lifetime subscription? Because everyone else who offers you a lifetime subscription isn't invested in you or anything. They just need to get you to buy a lifetime so they can move on to somebody else. We actually help people. That's the difference. And that's why you have to commit to yourself. Not for some fake lifetime plan. You have to be here for a year. You have to be here for 6 months. You can't start and just do one willy-nilly thing and be out because you're trying to make it like everything else, and our system is different. Guys, I challenge everybody right now, every single person, to go and scour YouTube and Twitter today and tell me one other person that said to go short at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on oil. I dare anybody, and I'll clap it off to them. I will praise them. Look, very next candle, short. That's the difference with True Algo. Nothing has changed. We are headed down here. New York is now open. I told you guys to protect, right? Look at the NQ. Never once did it close bearish, bullish, straight into the box, and then look at people getting absolutely trapped at the top. US 30, folks, do not tell me you held it. It was 60 free ticks. ES, you are bullish now. NQ, neutral. US 30, neutral as you're in the boxes. Reminder, if we can get a close above the box during this first 15-minute candle, we can look for longs. Even better, True Algo members, if that NQ can push down here, or this ES can push down here as well, we'll have another short opportunity. That is one win on US 30. I'm out and letting it run now. True Algo members, do you chase the long? Yes or no? Do we chase this long position? Talk to me. And the answer is absolutely not. Look at these NQ folks getting destroyed. You guys, I know you think this candle is small. It's not, guys. 89 ticks, 22 handles. I told you, we don't chase. Let price go. You had the confirmation. We called it live. We coached it live. And now you sit and you wait. Because I'm telling you guys, when the NQ closes down here, whew, remember what I said? If we can get a hit to the tops of the boxes, look, guys, look. 800 ticks down here. 800 to get to this True Algo scalp target and beacon. 94% hit rates today. That's the opportunity that you're going to have. Woo! I'm excited for it too. Look at oil. Oh, it's so good. Look, tell me one other person that can call it live. And by the way, for the record, gold bearish confirmation short using the True Algo system. Everyone see this bearish candle? You see how it finally closed bearish from the box? It comes up, activating another contract idea, and look at the sell. Boom. Look at the take profits. Look at oil. I told you, even if you missed 9 a.m. Eastern, look at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I told you, oil is going here using True Algo. No one else can do it. Nobody. Look at US 30. All it's doing is trapping people. You guys get to see it live. I told you what? Don't chase. True Algo protects you. Look at every one of those retail traders who saw this gigantic move up from NFP. They're all bullish because of some BS news. They go long, and now they're gone. They're done. Their entire account is gone. They're funding a challenge account, gone. You better go open a new one with Apex. You know what I mean? Wait for the close. You miss the move. You don't push up. You saw the short coached. 60 points, done. 3 times the average move that all of you want on a given day. And now you hit this box. Every retail trader goes short. True Algo members. In less than 12 minutes, we get a close. What do you call what's about to happen? And everybody, I'm not going to say it. True Algo members, what are you going to call on all 3 assets? What is it called at True Algo? What will you have a setup called? Talk to me. As long as all 3 close bearish. You guys see this live, man? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, don't chase, man. And there you go. Thank you, Andre. Guys, as you can see, our members talking. This is a True Algo trifecta if all 3 close bearish from this box, and the flush for retail is going to get absolutely murdered. Oh, thank you, guys. Yeah, Bloom, I'm telling you, bud, we can help you. The end of day yesterday using True Algo, like, look, Bloom, look at yesterday. Just from this. Look, bearish close, zoom. Can't close below the box, long, zoom. This is the system works every single day. So if you want to save those accounts in practice with us instead, we'll be here to help you. It's worth it, man. Look at US 30, just rocking those people, man. Again, True Algo members, again, we talked about protecting after 60 straight points, 3 times the average retail move. You guys see this live, right? Oh, I'm just laughing, not because I think it's funny. It's just, go watch a stream that we post live and tell me how we say the opposite of what you see price do. Look, look. You saw it go green. Everybody goes long. And in less than 5 minutes, their account's blown. Now, question. What are all your gurus and coaches going to say right now? The NFP news is bullish. What are they going to say? What word? Everybody tell me. What's the one word you're going to hear them say to cover their loss and their mistake in their strategy? And when you see that word, what do? You run away. If you guys haven't yet, will you please hit the like button? I know you guys are all commenting on chat. The biggest thing you can help us, I always feel weird asking, but I also know it's part of the YouTube algorithm. Guys, we have the algorithm for price action figured out. We do not have the algorithm figured out for YouTube. That's not our job. Price action is our job. So if you guys can help us out on that front, we'd appreciate it. God, I love it. Look at oil. It's almost there, man. I'm just laughing. Look at gold. Look at this, that quick little short opportunity. Look at the circles. And then straight down. True Algo members, what did I tell you on Sunday? And what did I tell you guys today? Every single time, retail traders will allow me to short gold so I don't have to sell physical gold. I am going to take it every time of the day. Guys, it's over $40 an ounce drop. Does everybody see that? Sorry, $50. As we're just coming down here for True Algo to clear the scalp and beacon. That is a $5,000 move in an hour. $5,000 a contract right there. You guys remember how we started the NFP news? Remember every retail trader who went long up here? Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry that happened to you. Use True Algo and you'll stop making that mistake. And then what's going to happen right now? True Algo members, talk to me. What does the retail trader do right now? Everyone see the green? What's retail going to do now? They're going to start to short because they tried longing the top. That didn't work. Okay, well, now I'm going to long the bottom. And now look, like they're just going to get absolutely destroyed because they don't know what to do. Look at crypto just continuing to put in new highs. You guys saw me call it live with ETH. There is no guys, it has to close down here, man. There's no reason to be bearish. Crypto folks, just enjoy the longs. Let retail traders, hey, oh, I can't say names. Dang it. There are certain YouTube people out there, man, that I'm laughing, that told you got to be short and strong. And guess what? They were the same exact. Let me show you guys. Oh, God, it's so frustrating. I just wish you had our system. Watch this. If this isn't enough to get you to get True Algo, I don't know what is. The same people right now on YouTube that are telling you to only be short on crypto just made you miss a $3,000 move, by the way. Look at True Algo. They were the same exact people telling you to go long and strong between 70 and 75K. Look at True Algo. The literal top was caught. And by, look, you see where it is? 71K ridden all the way down now. All the way down to 58K. That is a $15,000 move. Meanwhile, all they do is offer you hindsight analysis. Telling you after the fact, well, sorry you got liquidated, protect your account. And what do? They blame you. You should have been responsible. No, they need to stop lying to you because they're going to cry manipulation. Everything they do is hindsight. We are the only ones here to help you live. You guys see? And True Algo members, we have 6 minutes on the clock. In 6 minutes, that trifecta will confirm. And then what do? We simply look to short. When is our short invalidated? As soon as it comes up here. That's called protecting your position. That is called over a week, over a month. You can easily protect yourself versus people just telling you to hold and just hodl. Just hold your position longer. Go to a 1 minute time frame. It's going to fix it. Nah, man. I get frustrated because the reason why my frustration's there, guys, let me be honest. I don't get frustrated because when you take the wrong side of the position, it's only benefiting True Algo members. What I get frustrated about is because you get so wrecked by all your gurus out there, you question everything that we do, and rightfully so, right? Because you got wrecked. What I get frustrated about is you question, why can't I trade on the 5 minute? Why can't I use the 1 minute? Guys, we're trying to trade and teach you why 95% of people lose. You ever hear like the whole 5%er mentality, which is all a gimmick? You see us every single day do it live because we actually do this in a live environment. We will teach you to get rid of, as long as you do 95% different than everybody else, that's how you fit into the 5%. Ask all of your friends, if you guys are not a True Algo member, what time frame they use. Every single one of them is going to say smaller than a 15-minute time frame. I guarantee it, especially if you're in Forex or anything else. They're never going to sit here and say that they use a 30-minute time frame. By the way, gold folks, look at it live. Do you see? I told you, every retail trader is going to short the green box. Every single retail trader, because they missed the longs and they went long up here, destroyed. Okay, well, the bottom, it's not in. It's going to go to zero because I lost on my longs. And now look at them. Literally, absolutely destroyed again. The system saves you, man. Oh, I feel bad, man. It just sucks. True Algo members, look, see how much can change in 3 minutes? You see how we're back in the box? Look where we're at. Can you go long or short if we're in the box? And the answer is nothing. You are completely neutral. Let these retail traders keep letting the algorithm collect commissions right here. And then when you close above, long. When you close below, short. I am still looking forward to getting down here, but I will let the True Algo system close and confirm it for me first. And yes, the entire way of this potential 800 tick move today, I will take profits all the way down. I'll take profits at weekly open, this box, daily open, this box, until I get to the scalp target. And every single time I'll trail my stop. You guys, if you never know how to trail stops, there you go. Because every time it comes down, you can trail it to the next take profit area. You guys see how price is going up in a live candle? I told you, you cannot go short until it closes below the box. Look at the wicks on US 30, absolutely destroying both sides of the candle. Congrats, Patrice. Oh, Seb, I'm really happy for you, bud. I know you're new. I know you're busy. I know you're working on it. That is awesome, man. Book it. Even if like it's the smallest profit you've ever done, you've got to build the psychology up so that you don't get taken advantage of by these markets. That's awesome, bud. Any win is a win, no matter how big, no matter how small. And all of you current members, guys, don't sit here and try to compare yourself to others. Like because someone else won $5,000. That's unrealistic. A $5 win might be enough for you. The only thing on gold right now is you're neutral for the next 17 minutes. And then Mohammed, just so you know, or Nokia, it has to then close another candle because you see how we've hit the take profit box using our strategy. So the next candle closes bearish here. You can't do anything. What you need is it to close bullish and then you can target the next box higher. But remember what I taught you the other day. You see that we're trending bearish? What would be best is this candle closes here. Listen to Nokia. Then it's going to come up, hits this, that then closes bearish again. Then you have a short to go lower because we're in a bearish trend. Be careful forcing a move on gold between these boxes because you have to wait for the close. Yeah, Zip, that's a really good point, guys. Guys, one of our members, what was it? Mass, I believe, Mass FX. The dude turned $6 on Forex market yesterday because Forex was literally perfection yesterday over here. Oh, so no, it was US 30. He took the longs on US 30 all day. Down here. From all the news down this way. And he literally pulled out, turned a $6 account into $280. He used $6, by the way. So with $6, he made more than our monthly subscription. With $6, by the way. You do not have to get distracted by all these terrible YouTubers who tell you, I made $15,000 a day. Here's a hint. When someone tells you they made $15,000 a day, even if it's real, you need to unsubscribe. You want to know why? None of you are in that situation. Because for every $15,000 win, they had a $30,000 loss and you can't handle it. Ready, guys? True Algo members, look. Look at the close. Can you go short? No. Do you guys see a bearish close? No. There's no shorts. It also didn't close above the box. There's no bullish move either. And I'm not going to wait 15 more minutes. NQ, folks, it's got to close above the box to be bullish. ES, above the box to be bullish. US 30, folks, you're neutral. It closed in the box. All right, folks, I got to bail now. I hope you guys appreciate, I appreciate that you've been here. If you have any questions, get yourselves over to our Discord and feel free to ask us. There is nothing better in the markets than our system. You're not just getting the indicator. You get us doing this every single day to help you in a live environment. We are the anti-revenge, anti-FOMO. We are not hindsight people. Everyone else is hindsight. And guess what? When they cry manipulation, that's the only thing I hope you hear, and then you immediately come straight to us because now we have to fix that vocabulary for you. I appreciate you guys. Once again, another stream predicted. No hindsight protection. You guys see the top of the boxes right now? Do you see how retail traders will continue to get trapped? Wait for it to close above the box or below. Okay, True Algo members, I'm out. Goodbye, guys.